Dear friends, today we will be discussing about brand value and success in life. The topic will be how to increase your brand value and how do you increase success. My dear friends, I am very fond of brands because brands give you the positive outlook of a company. I am life coach VK Chaudhary discussing these points which will be benefit giving to lot of persons, companies. Dear friends, I am on a mission to give my services for the personal development to 1 lakh people in coming 2-3 years. For this, I am going to have self-belief tool which helps everyone, and good brands take the advantage. May it be Tesla, Adidas, Nike, Reliance, L&T, Infosys, name any. They are having their wonderful story. You need not to say anything when you talk about Pepsi, Coca-Cola. Why? They are having their brand value. Brand is not giving value within short time. It takes time. But now nobody has to tell about the great brands, why they love it. Because brands have consistency, brands have quality, brands have delivery on time. For this, my dear friends, the persons who are after it have to have morning rituals. Wake up early, sleep early in the night. Their persons cannot keep excuses in their hand. They will have to see the winner's attitude, and winners focus only on results, not pains. No pain, no gain. Theory we all know. We have to make action plan and we have to review it on some particular frequency, maybe 7 days, 15 days, 1 month. My dear friends, there is no problem which is not having solution. Then why to worry? Brand manufacturing persons have to have great attitude for everything. Their person should be healthy physically, mentally, spiritually, in relationships, and they should be one of the best employees. They should have affirmations. They should love, law of attraction, the secret. Goals should be there on their vision board. It is very important, my dear friends. Then we have to analyze why we need goals in life. Because we want to make brand. We want to be success. How brand is made? It is the successful attempt by their each and every employee from top to bottom. My dear friends, we have to have rich mindset which can create creativity, which can create miracles. Yes, you can do wonders in this life. only with self-belief and the points which I have just briefed. They should have happy. You just go around and see how much smiling face there are and how much laughter clubs are working, because people have passed through last 18 months from a one great damaging COVID-19 pandemic. Now the things are moving in the right direction, but still lion is not dead. We have to take care. My dear, for branding we have to have networking, good relationship with your customers, employees, every person who is representing brand. Their employees' great morale will take brand to it greater heights. They should have spiritual health. They should be comfort zone hater. If we are living in our comfort zone, then we cannot do much. They should have never give up approach. We can met with failure, but nothing to worry, because ultimately these failures are the milestones for great success of our project. When everyone is a lifelong learner and curiosity for new skills, and skills make the difference, my dear friends. I have worked 40 years in textile industry, lived my life wonderfully. Every moment I enjoyed with my team members and family members. My dear friends, when you are branding something, you will have to have massive action on your plan. You will have to love yourself, then only you can love others, and that too without any expectations. You have to be a good salesman. You will be selling yourself to you, and there is barrier in between you and you. You will have to remove that, throw that away. You will have to flex your mind muscles. You will have to extend your wonderful achievements, and you can do it. My dear friends, these tips are going to take you to the sky. Your persons will be success. Just go ahead. Don't look back. Just enjoy your life. Thank you very much. Till next video. All the best.